Have you ever wondered why the green chutney served in restaurants tastes so fresh, vibrant, and irresistible? Today, I am going to show you a simple homemade green chutney recipe that is packed with flavor, takes just a few minutes to prepare, and pairs perfectly with dosa, idli, sandwiches, chaat, pakoras, and many other snacks. This chutney is made with fresh coriander, mint leaves, green chilies, and a few basic ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. For this recipe, we need 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves, half a cup of mint leaves, 2 green chilies, 1 small piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt to taste, and a little water for grinding. Start by washing the coriander and mint leaves thoroughly. This step is very important because any dirt left on the leaves can affect both the taste and texture of the chutney. After washing, drain the excess water and roughly chop the leaves. There is no need to chop them finely because everything will be blended later. Now take a mixer jar and add the coriander leaves, mint leaves, green chilies, ginger, garlic, roasted peanuts, cumin seeds, and salt. Add the lemon juice, which not only gives a tangy flavor, but also helps the chutney retain its bright green color. Pour in a small amount of water, just enough to help the ingredients blend smoothly. Blend everything together until you get a smooth and creamy consistency. If the chutney is too thick, add a little more water and blend again. Be careful not to add too much water at once, otherwise the chutney may become runny. Once the chutney is blended, taste it. If you prefer a tangier flavor, add a little more lemon juice. If you like it spicier, you can add another green chili. Adjust the salt according to your taste and blend once more for a few seconds. Your fresh green chutney is now ready. This chutney goes wonderfully with idli, dosa, vada, samosas, pakoras, sandwiches, wraps, and even grilled snacks. It can also be used as a spread for burgers and rolls. This homemade green chutney is quick, healthy, and full of fresh flavors. Whether you're making breakfast, evening snacks, or party appetizers, this chutney can instantly enhance the taste of your meal. Try this recipe at home and enjoy the authentic restaurant-style green chutney made with simple ingredients from your kitchen. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious recipe.